Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to music when you're playing games on your PlayStation 5. So all you have to do is get Spotify. So go up to Media and select this, and then go to Discover. And then we should be able to find Spotify under here. So just going down here, Spotify, download this to your PlayStation 5. Now to launch this when you're playing games, it's very easy. Press the PlayStation button, go on down, and go to Music right here. Then choose Spotify, and then you can choose a song under here. Here's like Madden's playlist, and then we can pause it, start it, skip it, etc. through this menu. And then we can listen to on Spotify if we want to open up the entire application if we want, and we might have to sign in with an email address. And it's very easy to just get back to this. Just go to music, and then you get all your songs right here. So look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.